Nowadays, people are earning millions of dollars from AI tools. That's why for you, I have created text AI tutorial with the most powerful AI tools, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and many more. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to earn money without any investment from this AI tools, how to write prompts for accurate result, how you can use this AI tools for different purposes. But that's not all. I will give you a live project, and I will show you how you can generate a perfect script and make it a digital products and earn money like a pro. Also, I will give you 1600 ready-made prompts, step-by-step PDF guide, and many more. And here's my guarantee: if you feel that this course doesn't provide you with the value you expect, I'll fully refund your money according to our refund policy. Also, after buying this course, I will give you $10 equivalent surprise gift. So, why wait? Download the tutorial now and embark on your journey toward financial freedom.